Morning, family and friends. It is just before 6 a.m. and I am ready. This is what I'm wearing today. These are things that I can just wear that don't require any ironing, and I'm wearing flip flops. These flip flops I got from Shein, and they are the most comfortable. They feel really ergodynamic. So, right, you'll next hear me when I'm outside. Everybody else is still sleeping. Okay. Oh. I don't know if you could hear the bells there of the church, St Matthias, an Anglican church. I just had to go back and write a note to just say that I was leaving. So I've decided to leave my hair down today, just simply so it can just blow and get some air. All right, so we're approaching the beach. See what I mean? Clueless, pressing the stop button when I mean to press the turn around button. Oh. Oh, I forgot. I said it was going to be a silent one today, didn't I? Because I want to talk to you. Maybe we'll do a silent one tomorrow. Or maybe I just won't talk as much as I normally do, okay? Right, just approaching the boardwalk. Haven't seen anybody yet. You see all the crabs. Okay guys, so remember this is the Indigo Hotel. They are very, very near completion, very near completion, and I'm sure it will cost an arm and a leg to stay here, but if you do, this is what you see. Now, you can get to see this from many different vantage points around the islands, not just in the Caribbean, in many, many countries. But for me right now, because this is where I am, absolutely spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. It's warm, but it's cool as well this morning, which is nice. Okay, we're at 6 minutes. I'll tell you what, I'm going to stop now. I'm just going to stop and start another video. But I'm just going to go to that vantage point there and then just kind of finish it up. Okay, so it wasn't quite, oh, don't know how close I can get in here without actually getting wet. It's so beguiling, it really is. It's wow. Okay. Alright my lovelies, I'm just going to turn to where the sun is rising, which is right down the other end of the boardwalk. So it wasn't quite a silent video. I'll try tomorrow to do a completely silent one. Oh, I can do a silent sunset. Yeah. Alright, how's that? Do a silent sunset. And if I have anything magnanimous to say during the day, I'll come back to you. Listen guys, have a really, really great day. This is all a blessing. You all are a blessing. Our lives are a blessing. Let us give thanks. Let us give thanks for just these are the little things. Because this is here, look. This is here for anybody, for everybody. Yeah? Let's not sweat the stuff that we can't change. Let's work at enjoying the things that we can enjoy, like this. See if we can go out on a big crash. Nah, that wasn't it. thank you. Thank you for all of this beauty that you've given us.